Greetings. In this video, I want to do a quick review of the Medline portable toilet. I want to show you how to use it and how I like it. This is a 3-in-1 Medline, so it's got 3 different uses for it, and I'll show you how to use it. It's around $35–40 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get it. But it's basically a 3-in-1. So what's one great thing about it is it's portable. So you can put it under your bed at nights. You can carry it with you traveling or whatever. These arms come out, and you don't need a screwdriver or wrench or tools or anything. That pops out, and this little thing here lifts this portion up, and it goes into these little grooves here, like this. All right. For what you want to do, if you have it right beside the patient's bed, only thing you have to do is put that right beside it. Okay, of course it's obvious what would go in there. And this here is the additional support that they need if it's near the bedside, because this of course would go over. Okay, when it says 3-in-1 portable, this part is the 3-in-1 where they can use it near the bed, where they can use it for support getting up and everything. So you could put this beside the bed. So that's number 3 of 3-in-1. All right. Now the next obvious one is to put it over a toilet. Simple to use. To align it with your toilet, these legs are adjustable. They'll go anywhere from a height of 16 inches to 22 inches. And these are collapsible like this, so they can go up and down. I find that most toilets with these Medlines are about 5 from the bottom. So you go up 5 from the bottom on all 4 legs. I just place this over the toilet. I want to take this grab bar off. You can keep it on, like if you need it for additional support, but I prefer to take it off. That comes off, and this aligns right with the toilet, like this. And it's very sturdy. We've been using it for 4 months. Very, very, very sturdy. Haven't had one complaint about it. I think for that price, you can't beat it. And for the handles, I'll give you an example. You just sit down and you just sit back and relax and do your thing. All right, additional support. Again, I'll put in the comment section where you can get this off of Amazon. And let me know what you think. If you got one, let me know what you think. Always make sure to close your lid so your patient, they don't accidentally fall or hit this little metal part. That's not comfortable. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe.